Guys, I have an update for you. This is crazy. You ready for this? What is happening, guys? I am out here in the beautiful New Mexico wilderness, and I thought I would jump on super fast to give you guys one heck of an update. Big things are about to happen with the truck, and I'm here to tell you all about it. So I am selling the back end of this truck and starting all over with it. Crazy, right? That's my pride and joy over there, right? I built the back end. That's my little home on wheels, and has been for the last year and a half, or a year and some change. And so why, you may be asking? Well, the reason is kind of simple. That is not the most efficient use of space, I'm not gonna lie. For me, I've lived out of it for over a year, and I see so much dead space. I see places that I could be utilizing, you know, and I'm not. So yes, I could redo the build out, but still at the end of the day, you've got a truck bed that has several inches on each side. That's space that's not being used. So what do? You pull it off and you put something even better on it. So that's the plan. Yeah, so I'm gonna start from the frame, reinforce the frame, and then work my way up. And we're gonna build something that is not here in the US. It hasn't been done on a Tacoma that I know of. There are things like it out there, but this one's gonna be one of a kind. It's gonna be unique, it's gonna be custom, and it's gonna be my new home on wheels. It's bittersweet because that has been my home, right? And like I said, I built it. But I just know I can have something a little more efficient and just better for living on the road. Something that maximizes every inch of space back there. So that's the plan. I'm gonna be dropping it off here in a few weeks. It's gonna be in a shop for 3 months, is the hope and the goal. And by the time this thing rolls back out, it's gonna look like a whole new truck. And it's getting a full overhaul. You guys will actually be able to follow along. So the plan is to document the whole build, starting from the frame up, like I said, and do episodes and do videos so that you guys can see exactly what is happening and follow it in more or less live time. It's wild, it's crazy. I thought I was done. Like, I thought my build was done and complete, and then this opportunity presents itself, and it's a once in a lifetime, so it's something that's like, I gotta take it, I gotta try this road. So I just got to camp. I'm outside of Flagstaff. Heading back. It's time to get the camper build underway, but I just wanted to hop on actually really fast with the fading light. That's really pretty out there. And say that, you know, this next camper build actually wouldn't be possible without you guys. And I really wanted to express my appreciation to everyone who's following along on this little journey of mine and has been a fan from the beginning and is just, you know, invested in me and who I am and my story. And the next chapter on this build is just, it's kind of a testament to that and to your guys' support, and it wouldn't be possible without you guys. So this one's a shout out for you guys, and I genuinely love and appreciate every one of you and everything that you've helped me achieve in my own little world. And I really hope that I can continue to inspire people and to tell the story and just help people achieve their own dreams, right? Because I'm living in mine, and I hope that others can find theirs as well. So thought I would just hop on and say thank you. So thank you. So I hope you guys will follow along, follow the journey, subscribe so you don't miss the videos, but they're coming soon. And this beast is getting a full overhaul, and I am so excited. So anyway, thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you're as excited as I am. But I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Oh. My arm's not long enough. Oh God. She talks with her hands a lot. I do talk with my hands a lot, okay? I hope you can hear me over the wind. It's so windy. I know, I'm trying.